हेलो दोस्तों, ये एक लिथियम आयन 3 सेल 2000 मिली एम्पियर की 12 वोल्ट की बैटरी। Now let us test this 12 volt battery. What is the voltage we see on the multimeter? So we will check it on our multimeter. We are getting it is 6 volt. That is, we are getting it is 7.3 volt, as you can see, friends. Why it is so? So let's check it out. We will open this old lithium ion battery to check what is wrong in this. Why it is giving 7 volts instead 7.2 volts instead of uh, 11.1 volts. Here each cell is 3.7 volt, so in total it will be 11.1 volt. So it is not giving like that, but it is giving 7.6 volt. So let us find it out. We'll open this. So we can see there is some rusting of nickel plate has been taken. We'll remove this covering. We will remove this covering. So we'll check the connection. I'll focus the camera. So this connection is good, no problem. You can see the connection is okay. Here also the connection is okay. We'll check. Yeah, it is good. We can see it is good. Now check it downside. We'll check it downside. So this is the problem. You can see that the nickel plate has been corroded. This is rainy season and therefore corrosion might have been occurred. Let us check the reason whether it is because of this. We'll take a copper wire and connect this and check the voltage. We have connected the circuit, means which was broken. We will see on the multimeter. This is the multimeter. I'll zoom out. We are getting it has 8.1, which is greater than 7.2. If you see, when I leave this, I am getting it as 7.1. So this is the reason we have to make a connection here. Then we will get the proper voltage reading. Now we will take a copper wire and solder it here, right here. We'll cut it here. We'll use tape to insulate this and tightly keep the wire intact. I forgot to show this. What is this? This is a BMS circuit. This is used to so that all the three battery are on the equal potential. So there is a proper contact. Now we will apply a cello tape, insulation tape. Apply it very tightly. Insulate the terminal properly so that it is not exposed to air. Now let us again check that voltage reading. So now it is giving 11.5. voltage, that means the battery is fully charged. Yes, it is fully charged. Now you can pack it with the older package, or if you want to do insulate it well, again insulate it well using insulating tape, so that the terminals don't get corroded because of air. So when the environment is humid, the terminals which are there, which are of terminals which means basically they are nickel plates, they get corroded very easily because of humidity. Now just do the taping, then done. If you want to pack it again in the old container, old battery pack. Yes, thank you.